Hello all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, and if this is the first time you have been to my channel, welcome as well. I'm going to be doing a 7-day challenge series just to help you with getting a bit more consistent in your workout. So every day there will be a workout for only 10 minutes. There will be 10 moves. Each move is about 50 seconds with a 10-second rest in between, hitting every part of your body. There is no equipment required, just yourself and a mat and some space in your house, and then you can get it going. Hopefully after doing this for 7 days, if you still feel itching to work out, you will continue and do the set again for another 7 days and just slowly build up your habits. So let's hit the mat. Hello team, so welcome to your legs day. 10 minutes of exercises, 10 moves. First one is a wide squat. Once you're ready, have your legs nice and wide and starting to squat it through. Good, coming down and up, bum in line with the knees if you can. Hands can be on the hips or I just clasp them, whatever works for you. Make sure you are squeezing your glutes on the way up. Knees travel over the toes. Nice and even in the legs. Definitely tone up those legs and get it nice and strong today. Good. All right, we're coming into rest. If you want to keep going, of course you can. We're going to turn to the right. We're coming into lunge and lift with the back leg. So that left leg is going to lunge and we're going to lift it up, hands onto the hips. See if you can point that back toe, squeeze through the glutes. Use your hamstrings on that left leg to lift up high so you look like a bit of a diagonal line. This also works on your balance as well, which is always important for life, mainly so we don't fall over in the future. If you lose your balance, don't worry, don't rush, reset it and then just come back and go again into your lunges and lifts. So your knees will travel down close to the mat. Front leg is at 90 degrees. Careful of your front knee always going behind the toes. Good, rest it out. You might need to shake out the leg if you want to. We're going to go into lunges, 2 drops down, 2 lifts up. So when you're ready, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. That's it. It's like you're going to level 1, level 2, and then coming up. First level, ground level, then lift. Now you've got more time to get that knee closer to your mat. Squeeze your quads on both legs before you start to drop, because sometimes the alignment actually bothers the knees. We've got 10 more seconds to go. Legs will definitely start to feel it. If not already, definitely in the next one coming up. Good. All right, take your time. We'll keep going. All right, so we are going to pulse out these lunges. So the knee goes down close to the floor and you're just going to do about a 2 centimeter move up and down, nice and fast. So the tension is on the thighs the whole time and your glute muscles at the same time, but definitely a lot of leg, because that is our focus point today. If it feels like it's burning, then you're doing it right. As long as it's not sharp pains in any of your joints, but a gradual warmth in the muscle, then you're hitting it in the correct spot. You can see by my bounces, it's starting to burn. For myself. Feel free to shake it out whatever you need to, but we've only got 10 more seconds to go on this lunge. Correct. Shake at your standing leg if you need to. We're going to stand with your heels together and go into a plie. My arms are out to the side for balancing. Tuck your bum under and let the knees fall out and in. So pliing down, slowly take your time to drop and lift. Thighs will touch when you get to standing, knees coming out to the side. So you can keep those heels touching together. Body stays upright because you don't want your bum to stick out too far. Arms above the head if you want to make it a little bit harder for your last 15 seconds. Almost there, team. Perfect. Have a moment. Keep going if you want to. All right, we're going to do all that on the other side for lunges. So turn to the left. Your left leg is in front. Your right leg is now going to drop down into a lunge position, and you're going to lift that leg up. Remember, balance is key. You're lightly on the toes at the back. Your heel stays up the whole time because it's just efficient rather than having to drop your heels down, which I've seen people do. But it's just a light touch with the toes, squeeze the butt and lift it back up again. Oh, that was a little bit of shaking. Balance. It's a tough one sometimes, especially if you start to lose your focus and start thinking about other things, especially when the burn comes through. Oh, there was a go, because I looked around. I was trying to see how long I have to go. Good. All right, so take a moment. Make sure that leg is stepping back about 1 meter or so. Heel stays up. We're going to go down, foot 1, 2. Lift up for 1, 2. So down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. So there's almost a pause in the middle when you drop 1 level, 2 level, and then lift slowly up. Try not to lock out your front knee when you come up to stand, so that there's always a nice bend in the knees there, because you don't want to over hyperextend your joints. We're more than halfway, team. If you're counting, we're definitely done more than 5 exercises for the legs, so you know you're coming into the end of it. Keep that motivation up. Not long to go. All right, have a rest here if you need to. This is the burner, but it's only for 50 seconds. So drop the knee and we're pulsing it 2 centimeters up, 2 centimeters down, and bounce it without bouncing the body. It's just the legs, so we're isolating through those leg muscles. Make sure you are using your glutes. What I mean is you visualize that glute at the back and you think about it squeezing, and generally it does. Because it's a lazy muscle, it wants to just relax through, but you want to turn it on. All right, 20 more seconds to go. So close. And then you'll only have 2 more exercises to go for legs. Alright, have that moment there. So as you can see in the video, we're going to step out with that right leg to the side into that side lunge. Lunge to the right, step it in. Lunge right, then in. So the right knee bends over toes into a slightly diagonal point, and then your left leg stays straight so that your inner thighs, outer thighs gets to work a little bit as well. Good. All right, we're just swapping halfway now to the other side. So we're going to step out with the left leg and then bring it in. Right leg stays straight. Just so it's nice and even. Stepping out on the other side. Right leg completely straight. Perfect. Have a little bit of rest. Last exercise here, I'm just showing you on the side. My right toe is up. I'm going to drop down into a narrow squat and lift the knee up. Right, so the right knee is coming up towards my hip or higher. Right, this is one of those exercises also halfway. We will swap over to the other leg. But right now your left leg is balancing you and your right leg is lifting up off the ground lightly with the toes, heels up on the right side, just so it's efficient. All right, we're swapping over. That's the halfway mark. Last hurrah. So go as deep as your legs will go. Try to drop your bum like you're sitting on a low chair and then lift your left knee high up past the hips. 10 more seconds and then you are done. Now there's no long stretch in this class, but I do have a post-workout on my channel if you want to do a little bit more stretching. Or otherwise do your own set, just make sure you're stretching out the legs. Good, just a quick little quad stretch on each side if you want it. Nice job. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to stretch. Bye.